What's up everyone, it's me VOXTON, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install unturned Rocket plugins pretty much. So this way you guys can put like OP kits on your server, or you guys can put like the TPA plugin, and this tutorial is going to work guys for pretty much any server. So whether you're like hosting the server from like unturned server organizer, or you're hosting it just like directly from your machine, or if you have like a hoster like ABC Game Servers, or Axel Hosting. Now, if you have a different hoster, pretty much the only requirement to do this is you guys are going to need a way to access the FTP. So if your like hoster provider gives you the information, then you guys can just go ahead and use something like FileZilla, okay? But for today, I'm going to show you guys the tutorial with unturned, what would you call this, server organizer. That's it. So the first thing you guys want to do is well, actually, you don't need to start your server quite yet, sorry. But the first thing you guys need to do is go on to rocketmod.net and find pretty much the plugins you guys are looking for. So I hit plugins, wait for this to load, and I want to search for, say, kits. So today I'm just going to show you guys how to install kits in TPA, and also put /home on your server. Now, if you guys have any other plugins like Uconomy or anything like that, it's pretty much the same thing, just a little bit different. So yeah, so I'm going to find kits, and as you can see here, I just hit the little download, and sorry if this is kind of laggy. I really don't understand why my computer is being a little bit laggy. So I'm going to look up TPA. So those are the two plugins that I'll be showing you guys to use. Download it. Alright, next step guys is to go into wherever, and if you're using server organizer, then just hit open server folder. So pretty much it's exactly the same if you have a hoster. Just open up the FTP file information in something like FileZilla. Alright, so now once you guys are here, you guys can just hit servers, or go all the way back here just so I can show you. So I'd be in game, servers, and then the server name, then Rocket, and then plugins. And then that does not need to be there, so I'm going to just delete that actually. And I don't understand. Well, that is a bit weird, but it does not matter. So just hit plugins guys, and what you guys are going to want to do is just go ahead and take these two things, the files, hit open, and right click, hit extract all, just extract it pretty much. And go back onto this, exit out of that really fast. So go to plugins, and then also along with that open up the TPA too, side by side, and just drag and drop. Alright, and then next you just want to do the same thing for the kits. So open it up, right click, extract all, extract. It'll extract pretty much. Let's add that plugins here, and pretty much once again just drag and drop. Alright, and as you guys can see, it's all nice and there. I don't know what I'm saying actually. But if you guys don't see, like, if the FTP or file information doesn't look the same for you guys, don't worry. It's normally just because I have not turned on the server forever yet. So there we go. I turned it on, and as you guys can see, it's loading level, doing all that good stuff. So go back to your, I'm going to close out of these, open up plugins, and slide it over here, and as you guys can see, you got these two new folders, and also it also installed all of this beautifulness, I guess you'd say. Alright, so you guys are pretty much halfway there. So now guys, all you guys got to do is open up plugins, so we're going to start with kits. So open it up and open up the kits configurator pretty much, right there. And so this is pretty much it. So what you guys got to do is you have to edit this. So pretty much up here, they're the kits. So this is kit 1, which is the first line, as you can see, is the name. So let's say I want to name it like cool kit or something like that. You can set a amount of XP that you get when you use the kit. And then pretty much you put the item IDs and then the amount. So let's say I want to give like a honey badger, which is 116, and let's say I give you 10 of those, I don't know, and let's say I give you an Alice pack 253 and give you 2 of those, sure, why not. And then anything else, say I give you a vault door, which is 286, and I'll give you one of those. This is just an example, pretty much. So then you would just go through here, edit all of your different kits. See, there's all these other kits, you know, watch or stuff like that. Once you guys are done, you just hit File, Save, like that, and then you can close out of it like that. So that may take you some time to, you know, go through, find all the IDs, and set it up. Sorry if I'm talking very fast. You guys can just pause this video if you don't understand me or whatever, and just pretty much look at my screen and follow through. So now we're going to use TPA. So open up, actually, wait. Go back to kits really fast. I forgot to show you something. So open it up. So you guys can open up actually with Notepad or Notepad++. Either one works. But I forgot to show you guys the cooldown, so you guys could change that to like 600 seconds, which, you know, let's say 300 seconds, which I think is about 5 minutes. Yeah, no, is that 10 minutes? I don't know, I'm not doing the math. Hit save, and so there's the cooldown you have on it. So now we're going to do TPA. So open up the configurator again, just double click, it should open up with Notepad. And then you have all of this. So you have like TPA cooldown. So let's put a cooldown of like, say, a minute. So 60 seconds. TPA delay. What could we put? Let's put like 5 seconds. Just making up stuff pretty much. And then we hit save. Sorry for the background noise of that motorcycle. I know, so interesting. Hit save, exit out, pretty much. Then what do you have? Then you want to go and you pretty much want to open up this permissions file right here. So right click it and hit open with, or just double click and open up with Notepad. And you have all these permissions. So right here you have different groups. So group number 1 is default. So this is pretty much when you join the server, you get that group. And then you have like the premium VIP. I'm not going to be like showing you how to use different groups and stuff in this video. I'm just going to show you guys pretty much how to set it up so that anyone who joins the server will be able to will pretty much be able to get all of the functions, like all the kits and stuff. So I just need to undo because I kind of effed up there. So let's call the kit, say, or default. What am I? Oh my gosh! Just let's call the kit. No, because we need to change it so I can show you guys. Alright guys, I'm just gonna leave it a default actually, just so I don't have any problems with it. So what you guys are gonna want to do is copy the permissions cooldown. So copy that little line there. Hit enter. And if you want, you can line it up like what I'm doing. And so pretty much what you guys are gonna put in here is you want to put home. Because home is going to be so people can do like /home and stuff like that. And you just want to keep doing this pretty much. And then next one would be kits, like that, or actually kit dot that. Let me actually just make sure that that's how you should do it. So yeah. So what you actually want to do for the next line is just do kits like that, and then yeah. So, okay. Hope this video so far is making sense to you guys, because I can tell I'm talking very fast and stuff. So yeah, and what you guys want to do is just do that again, do the kits, copy the permissions, just pretty much follow along with the video what I'm doing, because I am not that good at commentating on like how-tos and stuff like that. So type in kit dot star, I think that's a star, yeah, and then enter. Want to do, sorry for the button mashing, do another line of this really easy to learn code. It's not even really code, it's just modifying the lines and stuff. Why is it doing that? I don't want it to do that. Alright, next one is, so as you see I put TPA, now TPA dot send, and then one last line of easy code that anyone can do. I just have OCD, so that's why I'm doing that. TPA dot accept. Okay, then hit file, save. Okay, close out of it, start up the server. As you can see, it's starting up the server, guys. So now I'm gonna go into my where's my unturned? Oh yeah, I've got it. So I just hit join that server. It's gonna open up my Steam. and it's going to do all that goodness. Now, I'm not sure if you guys can see this right now. Okay, you can see it. That's nice to know. Sorry for this background noise. I know it's been going through this video for a very long time. My computer is just like because it's like really hot in my room right now, and it's trying to cool the CPU. So as you guys can see, I'm joining the server, and look at this. So I'm now in the server in the super laggy world. At least for me, it's laggy. So now I do /kit, and look, see, I've got access to the following kit. So I do /kit cool kit. Oh, actually, I forgot to share with you guys something, that if you put spaces, you can't really put spaces in the kit name, or else it does glitch this out. See, if I do /kit cool kit, it still doesn't do it. It doesn't work like that. So I don't know if I should do like /kit cool /kit or something like that. But yeah, it doesn't work when you put spaces in the name. So don't do that. Just do / so that kit doesn't work because I put a space in it. So sorry for that. But you can still do something like watcher. Sorry, kit watcher. I bet this isn't like the best demonstration. And as you guys can see, I've got all the items from kit watcher, which is pretty cool. And now you've got like TPA, so I could do like TPA, and it gives you all the commands. So you can do like /TPA send. But unfortunately, there's no one online, so I can't do that. And if I do /home, sorry, you don't have a bed to teleport to. So, as you guys can see, everything I taught you in this video does work. So sorry if I didn't explain everything so well, but I hope I did help you guys in the long run, you know, setting up your unturned server so that you can install plugins. Now, I only did show, you know, 2 plugins in this video, but if you want me to show more, I can. It's just, these are the only 2 plugins I currently know how to pretty much set up. Like a Feast, I have no idea how to do. Same thing with like Economy or something like that. But it's pretty much all the same though, just pretty much editing the code. And that's pretty much how you set up the other plugins. But you guys can just go watch different videos. So sorry you had to deal with all this background noise. I'm going to stop rambling. So I hope you guys had a good day and whatever. And so yeah, see you in the next video. Peace. Really sure, I don't really remember. But they have like a live dashboard so you can shut down your server while you're on their website.